Looking for the best cheap smartwatches to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 4. Motorola Moto Watch 70. And this is where things start getting more interesting. Motorola's been making phones forever, so they definitely know their way around tech, and it shows with this watch. The Moto Watch 7 features a square $169.69 in display that's actually pretty decent for the price point, and the overall build quality feels solid without being too bulky on your wrist. What I really like about this watch is that it covers all the basics really well without trying to be something it's not. You get sleep tracking, step counting, and activity monitoring that actually works consistently. The watch faces are customizable with hundreds of different options, and you can even use your own photos, which is a nice touch that most budget watches skip. The metal case gives it a more premium feel than you'd expect at this price point. And the silicone band is comfortable for all-day wear and easy to swap out if you want to change things up. The Moto Watch 7 typically runs around $80 to $100 depending on where you shop, which puts it right in that sweet spot for budget-conscious buyers who still want reliability. It's not going to blow your mind with cutting-edge features, but it does everything you'd want from a basic smartwatch without the frustrating quirks that plague some of the cheaper options. For someone who wants a dependable daily driver without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. Taking the third spot is the Number 3. Restored Amazfit Bip Pro. And I've got to say, going with a restored model can be a really smart move if you're trying to maximize value. The Bip Pro was already a fantastic budget option when it first launched, and getting a restored unit means you're getting proven technology at an even better price point. This thing has a 1.4343 inches color display that's surprisingly vibrant and easy to read even in bright sunlight. The real star of this watch is the feature set you get for the money. We're talking built-in GPS, which is huge for runners and cyclists, plus blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate tracking, and over 60 sports modes. The battery life is genuinely impressive. We're talking about 9 days of typical use, which absolutely destroys most of the competition in this price range. The 5 ATM water resistance means you can actually swim with this thing, not just splash some water on it and hope for the best. Restored units typically go for around $45 to $65, which is honestly incredible value when you consider what you're getting. Sure, it might have some minor cosmetic wear, but functionally these are usually indistinguishable from new units. Amazon's restoration process is pretty thorough, and you still get a decent warranty. If you can live with the slightly older design and don't need the absolute latest features, this is probably the best bang for your buck on this entire list. The runner-up position goes to the Number 2. Amazfit Bip Pro. And this is where Amazfit really hit their stride with budget smartwatches. This watch launched in June 2022 at $69.99, which is just $10 more than the standard Bip 3, but adds full GPS functionality. The 1.6969 inches color display is bigger and brighter than its predecessor, and the overall user experience feels much more polished and responsive. What really sets the Bip Pro apart is the comprehensive health tracking that actually works well. You get continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep analysis, and stress monitoring that provides genuinely useful insights. The GPS tracking is accurate and locks on quickly, which is crucial if you're using this for running or cycling. With over 60 sports modes, it covers pretty much any activity you can think of, from swimming to rock climbing to yoga. The 14-day battery life is also fantastic. You can literally forget about charging this thing for 2 weeks. At around $70 new, this represents exceptional value in the budget smartwatch space. The build quality feels premium despite the low price, and Amazfit's app ecosystem has really matured over the years. You get features that were premium only just a few years ago, all in a package that won't break the bank. The only reason this isn't taking the top spot is that our number 1 pick offers even better value and some newer features that edge it out. And taking the crown for best budget smartwatch is the Number 1. CMF Watch Pro 2. And honestly, this thing is kind of ridiculous for the price. At $69, this watch occasionally sees discounts of up to 25%, making it an incredible value proposition. The circular 1.32 and AMOLED display with 466 by 466 pixel resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and 620 nits of brightness makes it easily readable in any lighting condition, and the overall user experience feels way more premium than the price suggests. But the real magic happens when you dive into the features. This watch has Bluetooth calling with AI noise reduction, which means you can actually take calls through your watch without sounding like you're talking through a tin can. The built-in GPS is accurate and reliable. And with over 100 watch faces available, you can really make this thing your own. The health tracking is comprehensive with heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, and multiple sports modes that actually provide useful data. The 11-day battery life is absolutely stellar. That's real-world usage, not some marketing fantasy. One reviewer called it pound for pound. This has to be the best value smartwatch you can buy on the market right now. And I honestly have to agree. CMF, which is nothing sub-brand, has managed to pack flagship features into a budget package without the usual compromises. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who wants a reliable smartwatch without spending a fortune, the CMF Watch Pro 2 delivers on every front. It's not just the best budget smartwatch, it's one of the best smartwatches, period. Regardless of price.